Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Maintaining your Dyson HD07 vacuum cleaner is crucial for optimal performance. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure your machine runs smoothly. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a vacuum cleaner attachment for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD07 and removing the dust canister. To do this, press the release button on the canister and lift it away from the main unit. Next, empty the contents into your trash bin. It's recommended to clean the canister with a damp microfiber cloth to remove any dust residue. Now, let's focus on the filter. Locate the filter on top of the machine, twist it counterclockwise, and remove it. Rinse the filter under cold water until the water runs clear, then let it air dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting. Remember, a clean filter is essential for maintaining strong suction. Next, inspect the brush bar. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the brush bar cover. Take out the brush bar and check for hair or debris tangled around it. Use your soft brush to gently remove any buildup. If you find any stubborn debris, a vacuum cleaner attachment can help reach those tight spots. While you're at it, check the wheels and ensure they're free from obstructions. If your Dyson HD07 isn't performing as expected, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify any underlying issues that may affect performance. After cleaning, reassemble your vacuum by placing the brush bar back and securing the cover with screws. Don't forget to reinsert the clean filter by twisting it clockwise until it locks in place. Your Dyson HD07 should now be ready for use. If you find that you don't have the time or tools for this maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just expert service at your doorstep. Before any repair, we'll provide you with a quote so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, conduct a visual inspection of the vacuum for any visible damage or wear. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your Dyson HD07, ensuring it continues to clean effectively. By following these steps, you'll keep your device in excellent condition and ready to tackle any mess. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.